You are watching Election Night Live on the record as results begin to pour in from those primary races all across our state. Now, most of the candidates on the ballot are fighting for the right to run in November's general election, but the votes cast in the three races for the state Supreme Court are final. Two of those races drew challengers for sitting justices. In the race between trial lawyer Miracle Rankin and incumbent Justice Charlie Bell, we see those early results coming in with Charlie Bethel there with the lead. Former Democratic State Senator Jen Jordan is challenging presiding Justice Sarah Warren. You can see again the incumbent justice there, Sarah Warren, with a lead. Again, this is in the very early going. Now, those races are technically nonpartisan, but Jordan and Warren are being backed by the Democratic Party of Georgia. And on Monday, a federal judge barred the state's judicial watchdog from publicly accusing them of ethics violations. The ruling also condemned campaign ads where Jordan and Warren pledged to, quote, restore abortion rights if elected.